impossible? You need to see this. Because for the first time ever, AI isn't just posting for you, it's recruiting for you. It's answering questions for you, and yes, it's closing sales for you. Most people quit this industry because they hate talking to strangers and chasing DMs or hearing, "I'll think about it." So, what if AI did all of that for you? Stranger? Your capture page includes its own AI assistant named Emily. When someone hits your link, Emily takes over. She answers questions, explains the plan, breaks down payouts, and yes, she even closes the sale, meaning you never need to talk to anyone. Now let's talk income. You earn inside a simple 3x8 matrix. Month 1, you get a $25 fast start bonus every time you sponsor someone, no matter where they land. Month 2 and beyond, that position pays you based on where it falls in your matrix. You earn $10 per person on level 1, $2 per person on levels 2 to 7. That's up to $6,582 per month, even without sponsoring a single person. But the full power unlocks when you personally sponsor just 3 people. 3 personals open level 8, which pays $3 per person, pushing your total potential to $26,265 every month, over $315,000 a year. And if stability matters to you, the developers already did $500,000 per month with a previous program. They enhanced the tech, rebuilt the system, and now you get to be one of the first to experience the recruiting power of AI viral downline. Now, let's talk about that 7-day free trial, because this is where most people lean in. You can lock in free with no credit card, get full access, use the tools, let Emily work for you, even earn commissions as a free member. But here's the key. To keep your spot, keep the people who fall under you, and keep your commissions, you must upgrade within 7 days. If you don't, your spot and everything in it is gone. That's why most people upgrade right away. Because $28 a month is nothing compared to a fully automated system working for you every day. But if you're not completely sure yet, lock in free for 7 days and watch your organization grow beneath you. Just remember, you can only keep it if you upgrade before your trial ends. Click the button now, activate your account, let AI build your downline, grow your team, answer your prospects, and close your sales, so you can finally build the income you were promised, without the part you hated. Lock in now.